If you're struggling to find deals, I already know what you're thinking.
I don't have the time.
You've got work, you've got family, you're spinning plates, and you're trying to figure out how anyone finds the time to do viewings, call agents, or even scroll through Rightmove. But here's the truth that most landlords and aspiring investors never hear. Finding deals has nothing to do with time. The key is deal discovery. I've met hundreds of people in your exact shoes. Corporate jobs, little ones, commitments, dreams of escaping the rat race through property, and I've helped them go from deal droughts to deal flow. Not by giving them more hours in the day, but by giving them the systems, the strategies, and structure of deal discovery. And in this video, I'm going to unpack exactly what that means. I'll show you the 3 hidden blockers that are stealing your deal flow and the 3 levers you can pull to reverse it starting today. So let's go. The illusion of no time. Here's the problem most people are facing. They believe finding deals requires massive time investment. So they go to networking events once a quarter or even monthly. They scroll through portals late at night and they get an alert set up on platforms like Zoopla. Maybe even call agents in their lunch breaks. It feels productive, but it's actually reactive. They're trying to find deals like a consumer, but deal finders aren't consumers, they're creators. And when I studied over 1,000 landlords by hosting one of the UK's largest property events with over 100+ guests every month for 3 years, I saw the difference between those who got deals and those who watched from the sidelines. And it came down to one thing: systems. You see, they weren't spending more time, they were spending intentional time, and they were using the deal discovery framework. Before I show you the framework, you need to understand the problem. You see, most deal droughts are caused by one or more of 3 silent blockers. Number 1 is you're working reactively. You respond to listings instead of generating them. Or you wait for agents to call back instead of building leverage. Or you chase instead of attract. Number 2 is you're using the wrong strategy. You're trying to do rent to service accommodation when your schedule can't handle 24/7 guest issues. Or you're trying to source when you haven't got systems. Or you're mismatching the method with your current season of life. And number 3 is you're solo sourcing everything. You're doing it alone. And because of that, you have no real community to cross-check your deals, no accountability, no fresh leads coming through your network. The result: frustration, confusion, and inactivity. So how do we reverse that? Well, we don't try to find more time, we build better systems. Deal discovery is about replacing reactivity with rhythm, and it's built on 3 simple pillars: automate activity, cultivate community, select supportive strategies. Let's walk through them. Pillar 1 is automate activity. This is the base layer. If you're doing everything manually, you'll always be behind. Deal discovery starts with building a pipeline that works while you don't. That could mean automated alerts with specific keyword filters. That could mean outsourcing calls to VAs or to appointment setters. That could mean using templates for vendor outreach or creating a follow-up CRM that runs like a machine. The goal isn't about being busy, it's about being consistent. You see, automation isn't just about tools, it's about rhythm. When you automate activity, deals don't just get found, they start to appear repeatedly. Pillar 2, cultivate community. The best deals don't come from agents, they come from relationships. I tell my students this all the time. Deals follow trust because conversations create compensation. If no one knows you're active, or what you're looking for, or how you can help, why would they send you anything? You see, cultivating community means being visible in your area of expertise, adding value in property groups, sharing your journey online, even in private groups, reaching out consistently without being spammy. You see, I've seen people go from 0 leads to 5 opportunities a month just by sharing their digital and in-person credibility. You don't need 10,000 followers, you need 10 people who trust you. Pillar 3, select supportive strategies. Finally, you need to pick the right strategy for your season. If you're a full-time parent, HMO management might not be the best fit. You see, if you're a corporate employee, guest logistics on Airbnb might break you. Supportive strategies take into account time capacity, risk appetite, and lifestyle design, and deal complexity. There is no one size fits all in property. Deal discovery works when your strategy supports your rhythm, not when it hijacks it. Once you install this framework, something amazing happens. You stop looking for deals and deals start coming to you because you're visible, you're consistent, you're aligned. This is what happened with people like Atanas, a 24-year-old full-time employee and church minister. Within just 60 days, he generated £8,400 by combining two supportive strategies, sourcing two investor deals and securing his first rent-to-rent unit. He didn't find more time, he followed the deal discovery framework, and momentum followed him. And it can happen for you too, but only if you flip the question. Don't ask, where can I find deals? Ask, how can I design a system that discovers deals for me? So be honest, which of the three blockers is hitting you the hardest right now? Are you still working reactively? Are you misaligned with your strategy? Are you flying solo without community? Let me know in the comments, and reflect also on which of the three pillars could unlock your next opportunity. If you're ready to build a system instead of chasing random deals, start by taking the cash flow quiz. It's free, it's practical. It will literally show you your investor type and where your strengths and your gaps are. And from there, you'll get a tailored plan for building cash flow with the exact strategies that will fit your current season. Check the link below. Now, remember, it's not about time, it's about design. Design your system, discover your deals, because small keys open big doors. I'll see you in the next video.